So there's like a bunch of reasons why your Utau might not be making sound, and here are some of them. So starting off with the easiest, you got to make sure that the UST you're using is compatible with the voice bank that you're using as well. Which basically means if your UST doesn't look like this, it's probably not going to work. You also have to make sure that the voice bank is not corrupted and has a functioning oto.ini file, which is basically the file that lets Utau know that, hey, this thing is configured and will work as needed. Also, go ahead and make sure on your volume mixer settings that Utau has not been muted in any way, shape, or form. If that doesn't work either, then you need to check your system locale again and make sure that this Unicode box has not been checked because it changes all of your notepad files from your normal format to UTF-8, and Utau cannot read UTF-8. It can only read ANSI notepad files. If none of this works, then I am so sorry, but I have run out of Chuck E. Cheese tokens. But if it does work, then you should just get something like this.
遥か彼方つながり結びたいこの